So now, what is the use of this? So maybe we'll look at one simple example. What is the time now? Yeah. Okay. So, and then I won't continue with this because after this it's pretty easy. You can just look at textbooks that will show how to move forward. Okay. So let's look at one example. Maybe 1, 2, 2, 1. Do you think this is independent? Full rank? What is the rank of this matrix? 2, right? Because all the columns are linearly independent. Now I have to convert this into an identity matrix by using row transformation. So what do you think you should do? See, I already have 1, 1 here, right? So I have to somehow ensure that I get 0, 0. So what do you do? Huh? What should I do? What is the first thing that you do? Multiply. So let's consider this. Okay, I want to knock this guy off, right? So I want to make this 0. So what do I do? Multiply the first row by 2 and subtract the second row, right? Okay. So what do I do? R2, the row 2 is what? 2 times R1 minus R2. Okay. So what do I get? 1, 2, 0. I have to multiply the first row by 2. I'll get 4, right? Subtract the second row. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay. So what should I do after this? I have to knock off this guy, right? So what should I do? So R1 is what? R1 minus 2 by 3 times R2. So what do I get here? I don't, there is no problem with this, right? I'll get 1 itself. This will be 0, 0, 3. Now what do I do? R2 by 3, right? Because alpha times a row. So this will be R2 is R2 by 3. So this gives me identity, right? All these are elementary operations which are invertible, right? So what is the inverse of this matrix? So you have to find what is this matrix, what is this matrix, what is this matrix. Take the product. That will be your identity matrix, right? Is that fine? So this is very, very important. Okay. So if the matrix is invertible, I can write the inverse of that matrix as product of elementary matrices. Okay. So I'll write this as a result. So if A is invertible, then A inverse is basically product of E1, E2, etc. some EM, where EI is an elementary matrix. Okay. So this is an important property. You should always be able to get that. Okay. Okay. Any questions? So maybe I'll pause for a minute and then we'll move on. Any questions? No? No questions? Those who are online? No questions? No? Is this fine? Okay.